first day in Prague. We're excited to be here. I think there's some new energy in the air. Basically the last couple months and this whole trip, we've been in warm climates where we've had lots of shorts and t-shirts.
When at the beginning of our trip, we actually were able to bring a couple checked bags when we first came in places like Italy, Paris, Salzburg, and so we had a lot of clothes to choose from. But then we went home for a week in July and changed out our luggage to only bring carry-on bags because we knew we'd be hopping from place to place, and so we had to be really selective with clothes. And obviously we couldn't bring big like sweaters when we knew that England was going through a heat wave. We went to Greece, which was hot. We were in Croatia for like 2 months and it never went below like 65.
My brother Andrew and his wife Maddie will be joining us very shortly here, and they have agreed to bring back some of our summery clothes so that we can restock our suitcases with warmer clothes for the rest of the trip. So we need to go on a little bit of a shopping spree, and which is music to Shelby's ears, of course.
The last time I shopped,
I'm excited too. I like shopping. So we wanted to show you kind of what we already have and then what we're planning on taking out so we can fit the winterized wardrobe, if you will.
We still have to be really selective with what we get because it still has to all fit in a carry-on. So we need to really figure out like how much space we have and what pieces are really necessary to our wardrobe, kind of like a little capsule wardrobe. So we need to figure that out by looking at what stuff we can send home. Definitely don't need my straw sun visor anymore. At least here. I'll use it at home.
I always hated that thing.
Really?
No, I'm kidding.
Oh, I think I'll probably send home one swimsuit because I have two, and like the chances of us swimming the rest of the trip is like pretty small. Like maybe once. No, I'm thinking that maybe I'd send this one home.
I think you should.
No, but that one's easier to pack because this one has underwires, so it doesn't fold as well.
Fine, the one piece stays.
Tank top, gotta go.
Your one dress.
My one dress that I was able to bring. England, Croatia, this came in handy, but it's time to go home. I like the shirt, but until now, this was like my outer layer, which is sad because it's very thin. So that needs to go home. Ooh, shorts. I think I'll keep one pair of like athletic shorts because I use those in like for lounging around and working out. But I don't think I'll be needing my jean shorts or my black skirt. We'll send this guy home too.
My turn. Need to keep all my undies. None of my pants are like really winter pants. They're all like breathable. I'll probably keep like 1 or 2 shorts. I'm definitely gonna get rid of some of my exercise shirts for sure.
We packed really quick and we didn't really get to think about what we were bringing. And you brought like 12
all
exercise
I had was exercise shirts. Not too good. This was of like the 4 shirts that I brought this snorkel bob shirt from Hawaii. It's just so cool.
I know, but that's gotta go. Snorkel bob is not going to Sweden.
I don't need my bucket hat. Oh, I can finally get rid of my belt.
Yeah, the belt that you don't have any fans to use with. That's fair.
Keep my goggles. You never know.
Walk around the city like that.
When you need some
They're
goggles.
Accessory.
We should get ready so that we can go
shopping.
Go shopping. But we're gonna go to the farmer's market before we do that, and that'll be
get
epic.
some food. We showed you guys what it was like visiting this farmer's market in last week's Prague video. Check out that recap video to see all of the other highlights of our time in Prague.
We finished our pastries, quite tasty, and now we are headed on a shopping spree. Of course, we work. No luck here. Going to the next place.
Mango, one of my favorites.
I think Shelby's gonna spend a lot of money here. I must be prepared. Okay, puffer jacket.
Maybe, I don't know. But
Got
it is
this
kind of
cool
weird.
little like coat thing underneath it.
Well, it's in, yeah. See, so then
Just
you have
try it on.
Yeah, I'll try it. I don't even know how you put it on with the vest.
Yeah, you just put it over your head. Should be fun to watch.
Don't know how to do that. It is much more difficult to put on, which might be a problem. Is this right? This cannot be right. There's no way. There, I guess it goes like that. This is very bulky.
You look like the Michelin woman.
What? Wait, this isn't right.
Trying on another
It's
jacket.
like such high quality. It's kind of nice.
Oh, nice. Too big.
Too big? What do you mean too big?
You have to, if you're gonna get that, then you have to get this hat. Oh my goodness, it's a Captain Candy. This right here is an incredible store. I feel like you are shopping for you. When are we shopping for me?
You've been
I've always wanted merch from Arizona round trip.
Dream now.
You've heard of Saddleman before, but have you heard of Saruman?
Oh.
Stranger Things. Okay, this is what I've been needing. A velvet tracksuit. Alright, into H&M. Last stop before some lunch. Dunsky. We have no idea where we're going. We're lost in the zoo that is.
Well, we just came from this way.
I think we might have found a way out.
Don't speak too soon.
I'm not sure though. We have finished our shopping spree. It was very successful.
Yeah.
Too much money was spent, but that is what happens with all shopping sprees.
We needed new warm clothes.
Now we're gonna go find some food and sit down. New Balance,
I'm
oh no.
Sorry.
Time to spend more money.
It might not be done actually.
Another bridge of size. Yeah, we just met this awesome dude in the Nike store.
What?
And very
So
unique
cool.
life experience. He speaks English like perfectly and sounds like he's
Yeah, so
from
when we heard him
the
talk, we're like, this
Midwest.
guy is not from Czech.
And then somehow he,
we got to talking and
yeah,
he grew up here, but he went to an American school. And so
Yeah,
he
so
sounds,
cool.
And he's a pastor's kid, so he grew up like
ooh,
in
Joy
American
Burger.
culture.
This is where we are eating today. All right.
This is really good. This is magic.
Shelby's going crazy. This is the thumbnail right here.
Look at it, it's so cute.
digging this one. It's so much
digging
money.
the price?
Well, you buy something like this and then have it for like 15 years, so... Oh, I don't know. Sadly, I did not get...
Sugar, it smells like churros.
Sadly, I did not get a jacket that however you pronounce this word. So,
It's not
I'm gonna
out
do...
of the question.
Not out of the question, just gonna do what my dad always taught me, which is sleep on it and then make a decision later. Because it's a very expensive jacket, but also it's like an investment in jackets. You know, you're gonna have it for 10, 15 years. So we'll see. We've been out all day and I'm very tired. So I'm looking forward to just chilling and trying on all of our clothes tomorrow. A lot of Jelly Bellies.
I am such a sucker for like toy stores, especially at like the holidays.
Are you such a sucker?
This place is like a whole carnival in one store. There's rides, there's like a slide that goes around the whole place. There's what's it, merry-go-round. There's like places where you can make remote cars. There's food. There's like fair food, like for adults. There's jelly beans. Like, this is so cool.
Jelly beans.
This is amazing. And there's a whole arcade upstairs. Special delivery.
Oh, we were very exhausted yesterday night from our big excursion with shopping.
Went to so many different stores.
So many places. We probably still have a little bit of shopping to do. I took my dad's advice and slept on a very big purchase of a new winter coat that hopefully I can have for many decades to come. But I haven't made a decision on that yet, and that's still important to get. But we did want to show you what we got yesterday. We had a lot of fun getting to shop in a cool place, and now we have like all these
Prague
stories
so cool.
attached to these clothes that we got, which is
I know
fun.
we'll be able to say like, oh, thanks, I got it in Prague.
Yes. Oh.
Oh,
You want to show them what you got?
I would love to. So the first thing was this nice big puffer jacket. It's actually really nice because it's cropped, so it doesn't, here, I'll just put it on. It comes right to about my waist. Right there. It is so cozy. I got it from Mango, as you can see. Love Mango. I don't even know if we have like actual stores of Mango at home. So then something else I found was this nice cozy sweater. I think it might be some kind of wool, and it has a little v-neck, so I figured I can either wear this on its own or I can wear it over this other long sleeve top that I found. This is all still from Mango. This little like kind of slightly ribbed turtleneck. It looks super cute on its own, just with like some jeans, or underneath the gray sweater. So it's nice just to be able to like get three outfits out of just two pieces, so it could either wear either one on its own or together.
What else did you get here?
I did find some nice new jeans because my other jeans are okay, but I've worn them this whole trip and I just feel like they're getting pretty like worn down. So I got these new jeans from Zara. I love Zara jeans, and these are just a straight fit. Their jeans are so cheap. They're like these were like 28 bucks.
That's enough about your stuff. I want to talk about my stuff.
Wait, but I didn't finish with my socks. I needed thicker, like warm socks. So I got this one pair that's like a, what's this pattern? Argyle or something?
Chevron.
No, it's not. And it's so cute. It has these little dogs on the top. I think it's so sweet. And then I also got just this classic like checkered So I figured people won't actually see these, they'll be under my jeans, but they'll be nice and cozy.
I got this cool rugby shirt
You
because
mean
I've always wanted to
got
play
this
rugby.
cool rugby shirt
I guess
because
Shelby thinks she's gonna wear this.
I'm gonna borrow it as well.
So if you see videos in the future with her wearing it, it's mine. I had it first. It's my piece of clothing. She's stealing it from me, just
You
like
gave
she
me
steals
permission.
everything else in my life.
Especially your heart.
Oh. And then I got this nice wool sweater.
That'll last you a while.
Yeah, I think this will be nice.
You
But
got
the
both
thing
of
that
those
I
at
need to
H&M.
get still is a winter jacket. So that will be the most expensive purchase probably, and also.
The one you were looking at was more expensive than like all my stuff put together.
Yeah, I am a big believer in spend good money to find something really high quality up front, and then
rather than having to
have
buy
it
a
last.
bunch over the years.
Yeah, and I realize that that comes from a place of being able to do that, which
Yeah.
I'm very grateful for. So thanks for joining us on our shopping adventure. I hope you guys had fun. Probably not as much fun as we did getting all this stuff.
Yeah, I have to believe that.
But I don't know if I'll have as much fun paying my credit card bill this month. That will not be as fun probably. But you know, thinking about the future, all the adventures that we get to go on in these clothes now, which is cool. We will catch you in the next one. Be sure to stick around and see our other videos. Usually,
where we actually wear these clothes.
Yeah, this is a little different. We usually don't put out content like this. We're usually doing something else. So we want
more
to.
adventures,
Yeah.
less like tips, but I figured we'd do this anyway.
We want to be able to give value to you guys in a bunch of different ways. And we're not always going to be traveling. We're going to be doing other stuff on this channel as well. So thanks for coming along, and we're excited to see you in the next one. Peace.
Bye!
Next week, we're packing up and taking a train from Prague to Budapest. We'll introduce you to our new Sicilian friends, visit some of the most historical spots in the city, and explore all that the Hungarian capital has to offer. We'll catch you next week.